You know what really pisses me off? A lot of things. You know what really pisses me off right now? Having allergies. It's allergy season. But what else pisses me off? Video files. Here, let me draw this. Let me draw this out for you. I have a whiteboard here. I have a couple markers right here. We can draw this out. Okay. Let's say this is like a thingy. This is your video. And your video, it's in a file format. So like generally what you hope for, what you're aiming for is MP4. That's pretty dang impressive for the way I'm doing this. Looks awful, but it's impressive. However, sometimes your camera settings can be a little different. Maybe you didn't check them. Maybe you filmed a whole bunch of stuff before checking what kind of files you were filming under. And so you don't film in MP4. That's okay. That's what we're gonna talk about now. Sometimes you film in a file setting that's not MP4, and sometimes you'll be okay, but sometimes it won't appear in your media pool in DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro. It just kind of sucks to be you all around, because your video file is basically like speaking a completely different language to the editing software. And so the editing software says, I can't speak Spanish, so let's build a wall around it so that we don't have to worry about it invading our territory. What do you do? How do you fix this? Thankfully, there's a good old little thing called VLC. Open up VLC. Click convert/save. Hit the plus add button and select the clip you want to convert. Hit the little convert button. Hit the little wrench on the side and select the kind of file you want to be converting into. And then hit the button and it will do the thingy, and then boom, that's the video. Now, 90% of the time, that should work for you. 90% of the time, dare I say 99% of the time, this trick should work for you, according to these videos that I've watched about the problem. But apparently I'm in the 1%, because the video I filmed this whole soup burning segment in, this whole epic vibe setting series of shots that are very important to this video that I did. Apparently, I filmed them in a file setting called .tts, or in other words, I filmed it in a text-to-speech file somehow. How does that make sense? How does a camera record in text-to-speech? That doesn't make any sense. The process for me looks a little different. I'm going to show you how I fixed it. Let's throw this newly MP4 file into the project. Why isn't it making sound? Why are there so many audio tracks and none of them are making sound? So even now, as I'm editing this video, I'm still not totally sure how this whole thing works. So you'll see a lot of clips in my little folder filled with just screw-ups. Eventually, I had a big brain idea, and I thought, hey, I'm screen recording this whole process. Why don't I just screen record the clip I want to have the audio for, and then I can just add that to the video. So now you want to go back to your project, throw the screen recording into the media pool. Then you want to say goodbye to those bunch of thingies.
Shocker! You can't escape me! I'll chase you to the ends of the earth!
Okay, so I was a little too lazy to add the actual audio because I didn't want to screen record twice. But you get the idea. As you can see, it didn't fix very well. Unfortunately, that's just my life. Like and subscribe for more atrocities against humanity on this channel. Leave a comment about your editing nuisances and maybe I'll make a video solving that problem someday. Till then, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you get plenty of sleep. I hope you eat your green vegetables, and stay safe out there.